Good afternoon, friends. So, today we are going to talk about a very important thing. See, we are going to talk about insomnia and how meditation can help in insomnia. What happens that when we sleep, uh, when we go to bed, and when we sleep, so there are sleep cycles where a very deep phase of sleep comes, and after that, a very light phase of sleep comes, and then again this goes on in a repeat mode. Near about 6 cycles of this deep and light sleeps happens. So the deepest part of the sleep is known as the stage 3 deep slow wave sleep, and the lightest part is known as the REM sleep. So this stage 3 deep sleep is known as the non-REM, and the light phase is known as the REM. So what happens that our body gets rest while we are in that stage 3 deep slow wave sleep. That is the non-REM sleep, where we are sleeping like a log, and generally we think that this is only sleep, that we always mention about, that we have the feeling of sleeping. But in reality, the REM sleep is the portion of the sleep where your mind gets rest, and this is where you get satisfaction of sleeping. What happens that most of the times, like the old aged people, they are having problems with sleeping. Some males are having problems with benign prostatic hypertrophy, where they have to get up and go to the toilet with breakage of their sleep. Or there are anxiety issues which is there in males and the females both, where the aged males and the females have this round and round mind racing going on. So as a result of that, they cannot sleep, and as they cannot sleep even after taking sleeping pills, they end up having a very lethargic feeling while they wake up, not feeling fresh. So in this stage, what meditation does is, number one, it reduces all the thought processes of your mind. The brain activity is reduced, so it induces sleep. It does not make you sleep, but it induces sleep. Am I making sense? And the second thing is that the REM sleep, that is very, very much essential for your mind body, is actually you are deprived when you are not sleeping. So what happens, this deprivation goes on and you feel lethargic, tired, restless, like that, not fresh, filling up in the morning. So what happens now, when you meditate, it directly gives you REM sleep without undergoing all that 90 minutes of deep slow wave stage 3 sleep. So you don't have to go through the whole time sleeping. You just can meditate, and in 15 minutes, 30 minutes of meditation will be equivalent to 3 hours of sleep. So it will just make up for the REM sleep deprivation that you are having. So thus, making your brain function normally, it will get all the rest that it needs while in REM sleep, while meditating. It's a half asleep, half awake state. So it is not a sleep at all. It is just as if you are just closing your eyes, and you just, for dreaming, daydreaming type of things. So that is how the REM sleep works, and it works marvel. So meditation do not make you sleep, but meditation induces a conditions environment where your mind is less anxious, and you are going to sleep, or you are making up the deprived REM sleep.